Hello everyone and welcome to InfoAirWorld, your access to information worldwide. Sami Malik reporting. Ministers will be discussing a review of the UK's coronavirus lockdown later to consider whether restrictions on people's movement needs to be extended. It comes as Boris Johnson spent a third night in intensive care with the virus. The government's Emergency Cobra Committee will look at evidence from scientists on the impact of measures brought in on 23rd of March, although a formal decision is not expected. Warm weather is forecasted with temperatures set to reach 25 Celsius in some parts of the UK according to the Met Office. It comes as the UK recorded its highest daily rise in the number of patients dying with coronavirus, with 938 deaths recorded in UK hospitals in the last 24 hours. The total number of UK deaths now stands at 7,097. Foreign Secretary Dominic Raab, who is acting on behalf of Mr Johnson as he continues treatment for the virus, will chair the virtual Cobra meeting, which will also include leaders of the devolved nations. It is expected that there is zero prospect of the lockdown being lifted anytime soon. In Wales, it has already been confirmed that lockdown measures will stay in place beyond next week, raising expectations this will be the case across the UK. According to new coronavirus laws, the Health Secretary must review the restrictions in place at least once every 21 days. The law states the first review must take place by the 16th of April. The new Labour leader, Keir Starmer, called on the government to publish its exit strategy for ending the lockdown. He says, "I'm not calling for precise timings, but the strategy. This is incredibly difficult on people, and we need to know what plans are in place and what they are." At yesterday's government's daily news briefing, Chancellor Rishi Sunak said that they would be reviewing the situation on an ongoing basis, and the review would happen around the 3-week point, which would be based on evidence that will only be available next week. He said, "I think rather than speculate about the future, I think we should focus very seriously on the here and now and the present." In other news, a Home Office scientific advisor has told staff at Her Majesty's Passport Office that 80% of people will get COVID-19, and we cannot hide away from it forever, amid demands they return to work. A study by communications regulator Ofcom has found 46% of internet-using adults in the UK have seen false or misleading information about the coronavirus. The agency that runs the UK's organ transplant network has warned it could be forced to close as a result of the outbreak. The Alzheimer's Society has written to Health Secretary Matt Hancock calling for more action to stop the spread of coronavirus in care homes. On Wednesday, it emerged that 15 residents had died at a home in Luton. This is Sami Malik reporting for InfoAir Media. You are up to date.
If you like this video, don't forget to like it, leave your comments, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to InfoAirWorld. This is a platform for you.